Hello, I'm Duncan Warnock from Warnock Accounting. We're just going to show you a quick video today on how to connect a bank account to Intuit QuickBooks Online so your data from the bank account will feed into QuickBooks in readiness for allocation. Let's begin. Let's assume we've successfully logged into QuickBooks. The dashboard screen is displayed. We now want to navigate to the banking area by clicking the left-hand menu, Banking. If we haven't connected a bank account before, usually we'll see a screen such as this, prompting you to connect up your first bank account to QuickBooks. Let's click on Connect Account. We'll now be seeing some of the more common banks that we can select. If our bank isn't there, then we can search for it. For example, if we want to search for ING, we can do this, put ING Direct in, select ING Direct, and then enter our internet banking login and password details. If, for example, ING wasn't our correct one, we might, for example, select Commonwealth Bank. Same thing again, enter our internet banking user ID and password details. Now this example, I'm obviously entering pretend data, so the password and account number is not going to be correct, but assuming we have entered the correct information, we now click continue. Prove we're not a robot by clicking the checkbox. Sometimes you'll even have this additional security info prompted, other times it will go through without it. Click continue. QuickBooks now tries to connect to the bank and is successful. It will then have the connection and bring the data into QuickBooks. It can take a couple of minutes, and from then on, overnight typically, the bank data will feed into QuickBooks. Now in this example, I've entered pretend data, so I'm not going to pass the user ID and password validation, so I'm getting the error that you're getting on the screen there. Let's assume I had entered all the correct info, then basically I would leave the screen. I would navigate to the banking area, and assuming the bank account had connected successfully, I would now start to see one or more unallocated transactions under the For Review tab in readiness to allocate when ready. Any transactions that are allocated then disappear from the For Review tab and are then displayed under Reviewed. Now let's assume we've already connected one bank account a while ago. We're not really using that anymore, or maybe we still are, but we have to connect another bank account. So if we've already got an existing bank account connected, we go same process, follow the left-hand menu Banking, but in this situation we're actually going to click on Add Account to get to the same process of nominating the bank that we wish to connect a bank account for. In this case, we're going to pretend it's Westpac, enter the user ID, enter the password. Again, this is pretend data. Click continue. Say you're not a robot. Got these beautiful prompters again. Click continue. Again, QuickBooks is connecting to Westpac in this instance to connect the data. Now, of course, the connection failed in this case because the password was wrong, but assuming you put in the correct data, again, bank account's connected to QuickBooks, data starts flowing in. All right, hope that was useful. Have a great day. Thank you.